Welcome back. Let us discuss today simple past tense. Simple past tense. The sentence structure subject, verb to object. The sentence structure of simple past tense is subject, verb to object. So here we write the subjects I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Write any verb to. For example, I ate an apple. We played cricket. You drank tea. He finished work. She prepared dinner. It flew in the air. They postponed the program. Okay, these are the model sentences in simple past tense. So the structure of the simple past tense is subject, verb to object. Now let us discuss the usage of the simple past tense. So the simple past tense is used to denote an action which completed in the past, which means completed actions are used in simple past tense. The keywords are yesterday, day before yesterday, ago, long ago, once upon a time, before, last week, last month, last Sunday, last night. These are the keywords generally we use in simple past tense. For example, I watched a movie last night. They went to Hyderabad last Sunday. We finished our homework last night. Okay, so this is all about simple past tense. So in past tense, this is the first one, simple past tense. The sentence structure is subject, verb to object. Okay, there are no helping verbs which we use in simple past tense. Next, coming to second one in past tense, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Sentence structure is subject, was, were, verb for object. Subject, was, were, verb for object. Subject, past B forms. Was, were. So we use the helping verb was for singulars and were for plural. For example, here I was. We were. We plural, first person plural. So we were. You were. He was. She was. It was. They were. Here we use the verb for present participle form. I was going to school. We were playing chess. You were listening music. He was doing homework. She was singing songs. It was drinking water. They were waiting for bus. Here we will discuss the usage. Here the past continuous tense is used to denote an action which was going on sometime in the past. Which was going on sometime in the past. The past continuous tense is used to denote an action which was going on sometime in the past. But generally here we do not use the past continuous tense separately. It is combined with simple past tense. It is combined with simple past tense. Here we will discuss the combination of simple past tense and past continuous tense. Here we use the keywords while and when. For example, here we will discuss two past actions were happened in the past while one action was going on, some other action happened. We use the longer duration action is expressed in past continuous tense and shorter duration action is expressed in simple past tense. Once again we will discuss here two actions were happened in the past while one action was going on means it was continuing, some other action happened. We use the longer duration action is expressed in past continuous tense and shorter duration action is expressed in simple past tense. Let us discuss one example here. While I was watching movie The power went off. Here we will discuss, there are two actions. One action is I was watching a movie. I was watching movie. While I was watching movie, the power went off. Here watching movie, this is the longer duration action. Longer duration action. It continues some time. It takes much time. I was watching movie. So while I was watching movie, so this action was continuing in the past. It takes much time. Here the power went off. Power went off. The power is the subject and went off is the verb too. So this is shorter duration action. Shorter duration action. Shorter duration action. While I was watching a movie. The power went off. Here while is the keyword. I subject was verb 4 plus object. So this longer duration action is expressed in past continuous tense and the shorter duration action is expressed in simple past tense. So once again, one more example we will discuss. While I was playing cricket, the rain fall. Okay, so while I was playing cricket, the rain fall. Here I was playing cricket. This is the longer duration action and it should be expressed in past continuous tense. The rainfall, it is in simple past tense. Okay, so this is the combination of simple past tense and past continuous tense. Let us discuss one more example. While my brother was going to school. While my brother was going to school, he saw an accident. Here my brother is subject, was is the helping verb, going is verb 4 and to school is the object. Okay, so my brother was going to school. While my brother was going to school, here the word while is the keyword. Generally we use this keyword while in past continuous tense. My brother was going to school, he saw an accident. Here he subject, saw verb 2 and an accident is the object. Okay, this is the longer duration action and this is the shorter duration action. So here the longer duration action is expressed in past continuous tense, then the shorter duration action is expressed in simple past tense. Okay, this is the combination of past tense and past continuous tense. Now let us discuss the third tense, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Sentence structure. The sentence structure of past perfect tense: subject, had, verb 3 and object. Okay, so we will discuss this tense in the next class.